Hi friend, this is Pratyanshu. Today I discuss a short trick to find cube root of n in a given number, and this short trick is called estimation method. Now let's take an example. Find the cube root of 857 and 375. Cube root of this number, or we can say find cube root of this number. So the first thing to apply this short trick, this number is divided into two groups. First group is 375. This is say first group, or second group is 857. This is a second group. This is a second group. Now we can estimate the cube root of a given cube number through a step-by-step process. Now if I take first group, then this number ends with 5. So we know that 5 comes. Now we know that when 5 comes at the unit place of a number, only when its cube root ends with, cube roots end with 5. If any cube ends with 5, then we know that 5 comes at the unit place of a number only when its cube root ends in 5. So the first group cube root ends with 5. Now go to the second group is 857. We know that 9 cube is 729 and 8 and 10 cube is 1000. So this number cube root is present between 9 cube and 10 cube, or we can say that 729, 857 is greater than 729 and it's less than 1000, or we can say that 857 is greater than cube of 9 and less than cube of 10. So we take the one place of the smaller number. So we take a smaller number, or we can say we take one place of the smaller number 729 as the 10th place of required cube root. So this smallest number takes 10th place of required cube root of the required cube root. So the required cube root is it becomes, we can say, cube root of 857 375 ends with the digit 5 and the 10th digit is 9. So finally the cube root of this number is 95. This is the very short trick to find cube root. Let's take one more example to discuss this estimation method in next page. Now I take example, find the cube root of this number. So again, step-by-step process. First it's divided in two groups. So 17 and 576. This is the second group and this is the first group. This is the first group and this is the second group. So if I take first group, then any number ends with 6. then their cube root is always ends with 6. Then cube root always ends with 6. Then their cube root always ends with 6. The unit place of the required cube root is 6. Now 17 and 17 is in between 8 and 27, where 8 is the cube of 2 and 27 is the cube of 3. Now I take smallest number as 10th place of required cube root. 10th place of required cube root. So the required cube root is 26. So the required cube root is 26. So I hope you understand this short trick to find cube root by estimation method. If you have any problem, then comment me on the comment section of this video. So please download the Scholar Learning app, and if you already download this, then enjoy learning. Thanks to watching this video.